focus on accuracy rather than attempting multiple questions and doing it incorrectly. Hi, I am Riddhi Agrwal. I am a student of the 2-year Pinnacle Integrated School Program at Fiitjee Mumbai. I have secured an All India rank of 544 in the JEE Advanced 2022 and a rank of 207 in JEE Mains. I have scored 364 out of 390 in the BITSAT exam. I am also a KVPY fellow and have secured a rank of 198 in the Essex stream. I have scored 99.99 percentile in the Maharashtra CET exam. The challenges that I faced during my JEE preparation were inorganic chemistry and exam temperament. I did not like inorganic chemistry since it involved a lot of memorization, thus I neglected it and this reflected on my performance. Later on, when I realized how important and scoring it was, I started the basics from NCERT and then proceeded to my notes. Due to my exam temperament, I could not perform very well in the tests. Giving multiple mock tests and analyzing it helped me improve my exam temperament. The multiple tests conducted by Fiitjee, including FCATs, FACE tests and All India Test Series were very useful and helped me to boost my performance. The system at Fiitjee is impeccable. Even during lockdown, online classes and doubt-resolving sessions were conducted at regular intervals. This helped me solidify my concepts. The gurus at Fiitjee were extremely supportive and helpful. They were always available to motivate me and clear my doubts. I am extremely grateful to them. My advice to future aspirants would be to focus on accuracy rather than attempting multiple questions and doing it incorrectly. I believe that even solving all the questions you know correctly can help you achieve your goal. I am grateful and thankful to my teachers, my parents, my friends, and the system at Fiitjee. Thank you.